Hey Sean, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. Google love content, so you want to make sure you have more than 2,000, like 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage. You don't have any content here. Also, make sure your pictures are saved in the correct way with the keywords behind. So the second thing I want to talk about is a citation. So if we type electricians NYC, we can see here Google guaranteed ads, then we see the normal ads, and then we see here the it's called map pack. So what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services with their would be considered like directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on this map here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop at whatever your competition has. You want to get that and what they have, and then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation, and last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And you see like Yelp, Expertise, Home Advisor. So there are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. And where backlink works, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So now backlinks are not always created equal. So for example, you have backlinks from ice cream shop, and it's all about ice cream and ice cream stuff. It's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another electrician company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. And so looking at this, one of my tool here is called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. You have 50 referring domains that gives you 306 backlinks, and then out of those you are getting found for 17 keywords, and out of those keywords you are getting 40 people on average to your site each month. So just to have an idea, if we see this competitor here on the first page, is called Apollo NYC, and check his ones, he has 47 referring domains that gives him 381 backlinks, and which is getting them found for 414 keywords and around 600 people on average on their site each month. And if we check their keywords, we can see that electricians in my area, 200 or 2,000 people searching, and 70 people going to their website. And electrical NYC, 150 people searching and 46 people going to a website. And then all these keywords you can see, and you can put to your website as well, so you can rank also. So to boost all these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in that. And so that's pretty much it. that's all I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call or we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. I will be in touch with you to get feedback on this video. And thanks again, Sean, and have a great day.